So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make an extra $100 extra per month, there's a company called Play Octopus that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. You just have to use our link below. You put the tablet in your car, your passengers can play games, and you as a driver make an extra up to $100 per month. Sign up for Play Octopus with the link down below. It's free to sign up. They're pretty much nationwide now, so use the link, start making an extra $100 a month, and let's get started. This is an Uber Eats driver who is crying after receiving an 84-cent tip, wondering how he is supposed to survive. So there's a heartbreaking footage shared on social media. A delivery driver could be seen wiping back tears after receiving a tip, only 84 cents, and has called upon people to tip more generously if they can afford to do so. So what is the issue with this? Well, many people are saying, well, the customer should be tipping the drivers more money. But yeah, that's all good and dandy. But at the same time, Uber should just be paying more money to the drivers and not making drivers have to rely on tips. Like right now, if you go and do Uber Eats and you're not getting tips, you're probably only making $10 an hour. So Uber is like, well, if the driver just makes more tips, but it's like that money's not coming from Uber. That's straight up just the passenger.
Yeah.
So do you think customers should tip their drivers?
I mean, if the driver does a good job, then yeah.
So this is what it is. Can you see this? Can you read that part?
Yeah. Y'all, I wish who order Uber Eats or DoorDash understood what it's like to be a delivery driver. This is someone from TikTok.
Yeah, it's a TikToker. He'd been driving for an hour and the tip left him in tears. The tip wasn't even enough to cover the price of his gas. Can you read that, or is that too small?
Yeah, I can read that. So he continued, I got a $1.19 tip and $2 from the app. What's that? That's not even enough to cover gas. How am I supposed to live like that? Homeless? I'm there. And I'm sitting here and it's gone. 4 months behind. There's no way I could pay for that. Everything fell apart on me and I haven't been able to sustain myself, provide for myself, and these are essential services. I just wish people knew what it was like. I wish they understood what it was like to drive for these services.
Yeah, so if you've ever done Uber Eats or DoorDash or any of the delivery apps, you might think it sounds really good because Uber likes to advertise, oh yeah, work on your own schedule, make $30 an hour. But like in reality, when it takes you 30 minutes to do a trip that only pays you $4 and you get no tip, it's like, well, where's Uber now saying like you can make all this money? So yeah, this is why so many Uber Eats drivers are quitting. And if you are an Uber Eats driver, at least make sure you sign up for solo so you can get that guaranteed amount. So when you do go out, you'll at least be making like, $20 an hour, or 23 or 16. I mean, it's better than nothing. So yeah, the clip was viewed 1.5 million times.
Oh wow.
Another wrote, I always tip if I can, and if I can't, then I don't order.